episode we continue our sail along the south coast of Turkey as complete newbies on our own sailboat. Join us for episode 20 as we hope to sail around the world. In the previous episode we started our first sail as a family on our boat from Alanya, Turkey to Side. Nice. We just checked if everything is ship-shape down below, so we are underway. Not a breeze at all yet. Mooi zo. For our first trip completely on our own, it's so far very good.
So much wind.
Really sailing for the first time on your own boat. Happened just now, not before. The engines went off and the sails took over. Let's continue on our trip to Side and onwards. Oh wow, cool. I don't know if you can see that. That's our cursor data with our target. Speed over ground 5.3 now. Wind just showing slightly above 11. It had been about 8 to 9 so far. Up to 11 is awesome. Autopilot doing its job. And the parent wind directly from the beam. Perfect. Our target getting closer and closer. That's amazing. Well, I'm not complaining today. The wind is not strong, but it's enough to really sail. It's really super exciting. And we are now just a moment Lily. And we are now about 2 miles away from Side, where we're gonna turn around the corner and then anchor. So finish my lunch soon, get the sails down and then anchor and hopefully enjoy the rest of the day. It's amazing. Don't think we can film taking the sails down. Still practicing with that a lot, but should be good. See, they're starting to show up there. We'll turn the corner and anchor. Hopefully it's sheltered enough today. For sure in the evening it calms down. Anyway, only one way to find out. Sail's still good. Amazing. See there. At least I think that's how you say it. Just dropped the anchor. Literally just switched off the anchor, the engine seconds ago. Oh, that's nice. Our first destination on Roxy. Pretty cool. I like it. I think we can sleep here. There's the anchor going down. Yeah, I think we're fine. Our new neighbors. Yeah. Yay! And this would be our anchorage for the night. Side is home to some spectacular historic sites, such as this Apollo temple, built around 150 AD, this ancient bathhouse, and this amphitheater. This being our very first sailing trip, we stayed on the boat for dinner, ready to leave early in the morning to reach our destined secluded anchorage around midday the next day. Okay, we're back at sea again. Just starting to get the first lights. We left Lyson early this morning, woke up at 4, prepped the boat. The little girls were a little bit restless sleeping overnight, so Oh well. But we're on the move. They're all back in bed again. First light is coming. And we have in total 15 miles to cover. Still 41 to go. They're expecting a northerly breeze until 1 o'clock. And then by 1 o'clock it's going to switch to south, which will be a straight headwind almost. So trying to make as much headway as possible on the engines for now, but yeah, we could switch them off soon. But I want to raise the main, and I won't do that alone. So wait for Jolene to come up. Can't wait to arrive to this anchorage. It looks amazing, all natural, big rocks on the sides. Maybe busy during the day, but not when the tourist boats leave. Yeah, I can't wait. Hope the trip goes well. Right, the sun has risen, and as the sun came up, winds were steadily increasing. Well, slowly increasing, to be honest. We had a forecast 15 to gusting maximum 22 knots, and that's basically what we're at right now. So I don't expect it to go any more, but maybe. We put a nice reef in the mainsail, and loving the sailing. Some good speed, 6.5 knots, showing 18 knots of wind right now. And the girls are all up. It's actually Jolene's birthday today, so hopefully we'll celebrate that later. And yeah, the sea is quite impressive. Loving it. Let me show you some. Well, 10 o'clock now. Winds have subsided a little bit. We've seen 18 to 22 knots for a while. Got a reef in. Maximum speed 8 knots for a moment. Was a bit fast. Happy to tone it down a bit. We could be a bit more conservative with the boat that we don't know that well yet. And yeah, so now we still have the reef in. The winds maybe 12 to 15, 16 knots or so now. Subsiding just a little, which is fine. And we've got 18 miles to run till our planned anchorage, somewhere south of Catamaran. So yeah, it's amazing. Nice to get a bit closer. We can see all the mountains ahead of us. Beautiful. It's going well. All a little bit queasy though, a little bit seasick. We didn't eat much, and that's part of the problem, but yeah, moving all over. And I can say the sea looks pretty messy. Doesn't really help. Yesterday was so smooth and nice wind with it. Today more wind, but weird seas. So anyway, getting much closer. So right now showing a forward speed 5.5, 5.2. And wind of 14 knots. And there you go, coming to the end of today's trip. We have 4.7 miles to go, going 5.2 knots. So less than an hour. Getting pretty excited. Mountains are getting bigger. I'll show you right now. Engines on. we have like 3 knots of wind. So the wind that we had from the north is supposed to end around midday, 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now, and then we'll get a northerly, but looks like we should be in the anchorage before that wind turns around. That would be against us, so it's amazing. And yeah, pretty excited. It looks very impressive with huge mountains right next to where we're gonna anchor. So let's see. So yeah, I've been saying we're going south of Kemer. We're actually very close to Sirali in Turkey today. Right, we have 13 minutes to go till the point that we chose as entry for this anchorage. Amazing. Sazak Ayu Karan. Very difficult name. I think I got it wrong, but it looks promising. Some other boats showing on AIS. I bet there's some others that are not on AIS too.
We can see 2 boats.
Can't wait. Yeah, right? You can see 2 there already. That's amazing. So we'll get ready for the anchoring and enjoying. Baking a cake as well, and then dinner for Jolene's birthday. So it should be pretty special. I guess I don't have to tell you, the wind died off completely, like 4 knots or so. I think it's in the like switch over time from north to south. So, but that's fine, right? That's really nice for coming into anchoring. And anyway, in the bay should be that calm. So, how exciting! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to you. Hip a beep, a beep. Hip a beep. So we're just underway for an hour's trip, because the bay we were in last night this morning got super rolly. Winds were supposed to be northerly and the other end of the bay would protect, but there's still an opening and it looked like the wind just funneled through there to create some proper swell. Boat was going all over the place. Even got seasick while on the anchorage. So anyway, we are heading to the other side of the bay to be sheltered from the wind. Should get there in 10 minutes and trying to enjoy the view, because most of us a little bit seasick, that's why we're trying. But to be honest, it is amazing. So that rocky outcrop there, we'll make a right turn and that's it, we'll go and anchor there. Nice, it'll be good to be there and not move and have some breakfast. The bouncing, slapping and bobbing and rolling has stopped. Nice bay, beautiful. Moments, there was one sailboat when we got here. Moments after we anchored, 3 tourist boats. But they are super quiet, no music playing. Everyone is enjoying the natural silence, I think. It's amazing. Soon I think we'll jump into that forest, go for a little walk there. That should be fun. Whoa! Hey Yosha! Wappa! And Lily! Aye aye, back at the spot we were 2 days ago, where we stayed for the night and then had to leave because of the swell. And this afternoon it looked good again, and it is. Plus nobody here today. Gorgeous, that's amazing. The silence, just the waves, sunshine in the pine trees. It's pretty awesome. So we want to explore a bit more here, see what we find, and have a little bit of a picnic. Awesome. Even though there isn't much here, there is a path. I don't think you can get here by any kind of road. But yeah, hardly any people. We saw one boat other side of the bay. And I think they're climbing around on the rock wall somewhere. That's it. So I think Yosha prepared us a picnic here. We wanted to be in the middle of the forest, surrounded by butterflies and birds and silence. And let's see. There you go. There's a picnic. Because we need to get to the correct anchor spot where the water should be calm tonight. Like it is here now. Lily, no shouting. No need to shout, Lily. Oh. Yay, still there. Sign up for this life?
Now this is looks like the perfect spot to me.
No need to leave here again. Nice, that was a pretty cool afternoon. Quick trip up and down from the other bay, but worth it. The forest is so beautiful and quiet. Just now we want to get to the other place before it's completely dark and anchor out there again. And it was so crowded, so hopefully there is space for us, but I think there will be. We're not so fussy with where we want to be, but we want to be safe, of course. I think about half an hour to go. Yeah, it's been a good day, and then it's dark, so we won't film that much anymore. Nice views over here too, by the way. Please join us again next week as we continue to sail the south coast of Turkey. And feel free to check out some of our other socials to see what we are up to or to get in touch. See you soon!